dances, colors play. Crafty hands got a lot to say. Threads and needles weaving tales. Like a ship, my scissors sail. Every stitch has its own trails, making magic without fail. Crafty hands feel alive in this world. I thrive, heart and soul they collide. Creativity won't be denied. Beads and buttons shining bright, turning days into nights. Imagination taking flight in the glow of candlelight. Glue and glitter, confetti skies. Messes turn to pure delight. In the quiet, hear the sound.